touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Briah, and today I'm gonna be giving a soft glam look. So first I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. So I usually get my eyebrows threaded. I don't usually get them threaded on a routinely basis, but did get them threaded maybe 2-3 weeks ago. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon eyebrow pencil. It comes with the actual product and then the brush.
I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, skimming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
As you can see, I don't really do too much with my eyebrows, but now I'm gonna go in with some concealer and just clean them up a little bit. I usually use my LA Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Cool Tan.
I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do, you do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one.
And then these are my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. I love this foundation, especially on like a like if you just want something light and not too heavy on your face. This is my favorite, especially if I actually decide to wear makeup. This is usually my go-to.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
This has been my favorite concealer for a minute. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm using 2 different shades. So this one is medium beige. I usually do a shade close to my complexion, and then I do about 2 shades lighter, and then this one is medium sand. I start off with the one closest to my complexion, and I do like 2 little dots, and then I go in with my lighter concealer, and then I do like a middle dot, and then that one's usually a bit bigger on my chin, on my nose, and on my forehead. And y'all, I'm one of those girls, I'm not a fan of damping my beauty blender before I use it. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the whole potential, you know, wet feeling on my face, I guess, if it's not setting spray. This is a new brush that I've been using. So this is Real Techniques. This is the 402 brush, and I've been using this recently to blend in my concealer.
Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like.
And so I still have a nice bright under eye, but it's not like too much to where I have like a full beat, you know. After that, I use my Essence Brighten Up banana powder, and I promise this powder leaves like a nice finish to your concealer. It leaves a nice finish. You don't see like any pores or anything. Like it's really nice. And so basically I just pat that into my skin. I don't usually bake or anything, so I'll just pat it into my skin. Then I'll take some and just put it where I put the concealer on my forehead, nose, and my chin. Next, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Bronzed Duo, and this is in tan, so of course it comes with 2 different shades. So I've been a bronzer girl for a minute now, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of both shades. I'm just going to go add it to like my cheeks. You can't tell, you may not be able to tell through the camera, but I promise in person it looks good. I'm just gonna use this little brush. It's just a little brush, and I think I'm gonna still use my bronze palette, and I'm just gonna go with the darker shade and just kind of line that a little bit on my nose. My first time actually putting like bronzer on my nose as like a little contour. This is my favorite part. So blush is my girl. So I'm using the Juvia's Place blushed duo. This is in volume 5. So I actually have 2 palettes of these. I don't think I want to use this one. I have volume 5 and I have volume 1, but I've been using volume 1 recently. I haven't touched volume 5 yet, so I'm just gonna put her to the side for now. But I'm using volume 1, and y'all, this blush is so pigmented. I promise. I love her. And so for the brush, I'm using my Real Techniques. This is the 400 brush, the blush brush. So I'm just gonna do a bit of both of these, just a little bit. I promise you don't need a whole lot. Since this is so pigmented, sometimes I do have to go back in with my beauty blender and just kind of blend that out a little bit so it's not too harsh. I feel like sometimes you can never have too much blush, but I feel like this is enough. Mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational. I'm just putting a little on my eyelashes. And these are the lashes that I'll be using. I got these from off of Amazon and I absolutely love these lashes. And I think today, what am I feeling? I think I'm feeling these today. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Now, I do use the Duo. This is the dark glue in the pink pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on off camera just because I like using my blow dryer to quickly dry these lashes. So that's what I'm gonna go do, and I'll be right back. Friends, I'm back. I got my lashes on. I'm feeling them. I really like them. And so now I'm just gonna finish my face. So usually I just do some eyeliner in my waterline. So I'm gonna go in with black. And this is the NYX black eyeliner. Y'all, I love me some NYX eyeliners, lip liners. They're my favorite. It with my eyes. Sometimes I put some mascara on my bottom lashes, sometimes I don't. In this case, I will not. And now for my lips. So I've been feeling this Juvia's Place lip liner. This is in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I've been using this Revlon Color Stay matte lip crayon. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lips. I'm gonna go in just with a little bit of this Revlon lip gloss. This is in the shade Sky Pink. And like I said, just a little bit. Last but not least, of course, I have to go in with a little gloss. So I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution. It's just a clear gloss. And this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed my nice little natural soft glam look, it was super easy, super quick for the most part. I didn't do too much. Now for setting spray, sometimes I do setting spray, sometimes I don't. Most times I do not, so I would not be using it. But hope you guys enjoyed the final look. Bye.